Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 for every image you download. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. Now this method is absolutely free to start. You don't need any money. You don't need any experience. All you need is a phone or a computer with internet connection. And this is available worldwide, guys. So guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, guys, because it's going to be some steps. And I don't want you to miss the steps. And I also don't want you to miss the special bonus. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm at this website and I'm going to show you 2 websites, guys. So please stay with me. Don't skip. Don't skip. All right, so the name of this website is Krilo. So this is the website where you're going to get images from. But this is not the website you're going to make the money. I'm going to show you in a little bit which website you're going to use to make the money. Now, as you can see here, you can get images for your Instagram posts. You can get images for your Facebook, Instagram story, and they also have videos on here. And you can also have, if you just want to make a poster or a thumbnail for your YouTube video. Now, what I'm going to do is show you some of the images and show you how these templates are on this website. So as you can see here are some of the featured templates. And all these templates you can use. And matter of fact, let me go ahead and click on one of them. All right, so this image here, you can edit this image. So you can put whatever you want to here. And if you don't want this whole image, you can just swap the whole image out and get another one. So you can, if you have something on your computer, you can go here where it says photos. You can get photos. And also you can download photos if you want it from your computer. So if you go right here where it says my files, click right here, it says upload image, and you can get it from your computer. You have to sign up for this website first. Now, what we're going to do, guys, is I'm going to show you this website where you'll be able to take this image there and make a lot of money. So let me go to the next website. All right, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is Latham. So on this website, this is where you're going to make the money. Now, once you come here, you want to click right here where it says I want to work, because you're going to be a freelancer. So click right here. All you do is sign up right here. All you need is an email, and you're all good to go, ready to sign up and start making this money. Now, what I'm going to do is show you how you're going to make this money. So you're going to click right here where it says browse and click on browse projects. And these are the projects, guys. Now, these projects are people or companies looking for a logo to be made or any other services. As you can see right here, here are the projects. You got survey, you got graphic and design, you got social and digital marketing, you got websites and software, you got usability testing. So you got app download, so you got all different type of projects over here. But we're going to focus on graphics and design. So for the graphic and designs, these are all the projects that's popping up here, and they're looking for a certain graphic to be made for them. So like this one right here, they want a logo done. And what you're going to do is use clo.com to make a logo there. So once you click in here, it tells you what type of logo they want and everything. And as you can see, they got a lot of different ones on here. So you don't have to be an expert, as you can see on Clo, on Quillo. You don't have to be an expert. As you can see over there, you can edit anything you want to. So once you go to, let me go back to Quillo. So once you go here and you pick out a template that you want to use to make the logo, you find out what their logo is, or what the name of the company is, or what name of the logo they want it to be. So let's say they want to name it Get Money. So all you got to do is just type right here, put Get Money. And if you want to put something up here, you can put whatever you want to put up there. Well, basically that'd be the name of the company up here. Let's say the name of the company is Tech Inc. So you'll put the name of the company right there and then put like a little slogan, Get Money, right there. And so this is just a template, but you probably want to look up logo templates. So once you look up logo templates, let's go ahead and look up a logo template. Okay, I done put up some logo templates. So let's go ahead and use this one. So just click right here where it says use template. And again, let's say the name of the company is Tech Inc. Just put Tech Inc. right there. And let's do this. I'm going to stretch that out like that. And then if they want a little slogan, put Get Money down here. And boom, there's the logo for them. You finish. And all you gotta do is just click right here where it says download. You better download the image and you go back to Latham and click on one of these jobs that you click on the job where they want the logo, like this one, and submit your logo. And if they like it, you get paid. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. So to go ahead and get started, go ahead and go to Quillo. sign up there, and then come to Lathan and sign up there saying you want to work to become a freelancer and start getting this money. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button for me. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, thanks again for your support. I really appreciate it. We almost to 6,000 subscribers. And let me go ahead and tell you about the special bonus. The special bonus is type this word that's going to pop up on the screen right now. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances on winning the free money once I hit that 6,000 subscriber mark. It's coming soon, guys. It's coming soon. So you need to keep watching all my videos, because the day I hit 6,000 subscribers, I might pick you. Matter of fact, I'm going to pick at least 3 people. And you guys, 3 of you guys are going to win the free money. All right, guys. One more thing I want to do. I'm trying to do this every video, is give a shout out to somebody. So I'm going to give a shout out right about now to this person right here. I'm going to flash it on screen right now. Thank you for your comment. Hope you're a subscriber, and please share this video so we can get to 6,000 subscribers. All right. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. Let's keep going non-stop. We're going to the top, guys. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and have a very prosperous day.